treat animals ethically. Imagine if you yourself are being treated badly and there's nobody to stand up for you.
Congratulations, and I'm here to support them in any way I can.
मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि 10 साल इन्होंने आ रहे हैं एनिमल्स के लिए। हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स के लिए तो सब लोग करते ही हैं, लेकिन एक जानवरों के लिए भी देखभाल करना, वो हमारे साथ में रहने वाले इस धरती पर हैं, तो उनसे और भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस आनी चाहिए।
जानवरों के साथ में बहुत ही लगाव है और बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यार है। आज भी जब भी हमें फ्री समय मिलता है तो हम कोशिश यही करते हैं कि नेचर के साथ में अपना समय बिताया जाए। यूथ सबसे यही गुजारिश है कि इस तरह के जो काम हैं उसमें हाथ बटाएं।
For me, animal means freedom. So I would request the youth कि pets से ज़्यादा freedom should be given to all kinds of animals.
We love animals, and I have worked along with Peter to make some films.
You know, whenever anything happens with animals, people look at me and say, Peter. So I'm almost called Peter, But I love all animals.
I did a campaign once for them where it says, be an angel, be vegetarian. And it's a very, very difficult task for the people working at Peter. And I think today is a great celebration for them. And I love my association with them. I love animals. And so it's nice to be part of this celebration.
So मैसेज ये दूंगा कि इसकी बर्थडे पार्टी जो है वो 10वीं है और मैं 15 साल से वेजिटेरियन हूँ।
When we see an animal in problem, we stop our car and we find and make sure if someone is ill-treating an animal, making sure that you make a noise, making sure you call the authorities is also a great PETA work.
I really truly do believe that if you have levels of compassion, that's all it matters. It doesn't take too much just to be nice and kind to animals or all living creatures.
I'd just like to congratulate PETA for 10 years of successful campaigning and being all over the place, because everyone has heard of PETA. I just feel really glad to be part of such a big event.
I've been involved with PETA since the beginning, since you all first came to India, and I think I shot the first few campaigns for them, and then a lot more after that. So it's always a pleasure working with people who are committed, and it's a exciting, fun and dedicated team. Happy birthday, PETA, and I hope you have many, many more decades of celebration in India and continue the good work.
It feels very, very good. It feels as though I'm doing something very, very worthy. And I truly support this cause. Happy birthday, PETA, and wish to see many, many more birthdays coming up, and let many more celebs endorse this super exciting cause.
I would like to wish PETA all the very best, and you'll have done some amazing work. We've tried as much as we can to support you, and we will always be there. Keep up the good work.
I think people are too busy with their own lives, so spare some time for animals, spare some time to do good to them, and I'm sure you'll feel nice about it. I'm doing that. You should do as well. Yeah.
God bless you, and may you do more and more fruitful work and just make this planet a better place to live in.
मैं चाहूँगा कि ऐसे कोई और भी आएँ जो जैसा और एम्बुलेंसेस हों, कहीं कुछ का गाय इंजर्ड पड़ा रहता है, कोई कुत्ता पड़ा रहता है इंजर्ड, कोई रहता भी नहीं उन्हें उठाने के लिए, मगर ऐसे लोग हों और इनकी तरह और भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हों तो फैंटास्टिक हो जाएगा बड़ो।
I hope you continue to do great work that you have been doing, and people like us are always there to help you all out in whatever we can. So congratulations and all the best.
It's been 10 fantastic years, and congratulations, and I look forward to another fabulous 10 more.
I think it's fantastic that we have an organization which is completely and solely dedicated and devoted to the welfare of animals. And I think it's wonderful that so many people from different walks of life, achievers from different walks of life, have lended their voice and time into this cause. And here's wishing PETA another 100 great years of achieving much, much more in India.
मुझे लगता है कि बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, एक पूरी दुनिया को एक अवेयरनेस जाता है, और मैं उनको बधाई देता हूँ कि आज 10 साल पूरा किया है उन्होंने।
A lot of people own, like dogs and cats, but they don't look after them. They just sort of use them for their entertainment. My request would be to treat any animal that you are taking care of as a family member.
a very, very happy birthday with many, many grand birthdays in the future.
I think you guys are doing an absolutely brilliant job. Congratulations for completing 10 years to PETA India.